How to change your Facebook page name. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. First, you can switch your Facebook account to the Facebook page. For that, navigate to the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, at the top, you're going to find your Facebook name, and at the right corner of it, you're going to find three dots. Click on it. With that, you're going to find your Facebook page's name. Head towards the Facebook page of which you want to change the name. After you switch to the Facebook page, navigate to the menu page again. Then, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down, navigate to the section of audience and visibility. Under that, you're going to find the option of page setup. Click on that option. Now here you're going to see the option of name. Click on view. Now from here, you can easily make changes to your Facebook page name. You can remove the old one and then type in the new one. After you type in the new name, click on Review Change. To save this setting, please enter your Facebook password. Please note now you won't be able to change your Facebook page name for 6 days. After completion of 6 days only, you will be able to make any changes to your name. Once you fill this, click on Save Changes, and with that, your Facebook page name will be updated. Well, this way you can easily change your Facebook page name. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.